What's up guys, Event Array here. Today we're going to be doing another quick tech review. Today we're going to be doing a review over the Sungi left-handed ergonomic mouse. This is it right here. And I'm going to see if I can do some overhand footage so you can see how it looks in my hand. But basically, this video is for left-handed people. If you're not left-handed, feel free to stay, but I understand if you want to hop off. So, I am left-handed. Mostly. Some things I do with my right hand because, I mean, that's just how it is when you're raised in a world that's full of left-handed people. I mean, everything that is taught to you, you've learned how to do with your left hand, with your right hand, because everything's done with right hand. So some things I've just been drilled to be done with my right hand. Some things are drilled to be done with my left. But, so typing is one of those things where I'm like, okay, well, I've always been taught to type with my left and have the mouse with my right. But I mean, with my new desk setup, sometimes I'll be leaning this way to watch the TV, and I'll be trying to use the mouse with my left hand, and it's just a horrible experience because the mouse is shaped. It's shaped for right-handed people. So I went on to Amazon and did some research to see if I could find a mouse shaped for left-handed people, and I found the Sungi left-handed ergonomic mouse. It's shaped quite peculiar, but it had amazing reviews. So I decided to take the plunge and get it. It was only $18 and I had Prime, so it got here the next day. And Amazon is great about returns. So if I didn't like it, I could just send it back. So there was very little risk on my part as far as the mouse went. And let me say, this thing is amazing. It fits perfect. I can definitely feel the ergonomics of it. My whole hand fits perfectly on this mouse, and I just feel like I've been doing this wrong my whole life because I've always used a right-handed mouse, or one of the ones that are just straight where it's not shaped for left-handed or right-handed. But this being shaped for left-handed things is amazing. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'm gonna add a little footage of me using the mouse just so you guys can see what it looks like. But if you guys are left-handed and you don't have a left-handed mouse, you definitely should get one. I know there's a couple mice out there, like the Apple mouse, and then there's the really cool one, the Microsoft Arc, I think it is. That one's super cool. I've been wanting one of those for a long time, but they're like $60. I'm like, $60. Like I said, I spent $18 on this mouse. And my previous mouse, the one I was complaining about that's shaped for right-handers, it has RGB lights. It's pretty cool. It's not wireless, but it came with my gaming PC when I bought it, along with the keyboard that I currently have. So, I mean, I really didn't have to pay too much on it, but I imagine that it's probably worth about $30, $50 if I had to guess. I mean, it works pretty good. Like this mouse, it has the buttons on the side. This one is back, and this one is forward. We have the scrolling right here. There's a button here. It says DPI. I don't know what that means. I haven't figured that out. But basically, this was just supposed to be a quick review over this mouse for you guys. Just so maybe if I have some left-handers out of my very few subscribers. Hey, we're at 67 now. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It makes my day every time I get a new subscriber. I just wish I knew which videos were getting the new subscribers. I'm still figuring out analytics, because if I knew which videos were getting subscribers, I'd make more of those videos. But regardless, thank you for the support for you guys. Thank you for checking out this video. This is Event Array, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.